Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and navigating to Apps so you can see everything installed. Once done, make sure to expand the three-dot menu and choose Show System Apps. This reveals pre-installed programs that might be disabled rather than fully removable. You should also check that you're signed into the device owner account because guest profiles can't change system apps. Now scroll or search for the specific app you want to delete or disable. This is the first actionable move toward freeing space or removing unwanted shortcuts. Once you're on the app's info page, you'll see Uninstall, Disable, Force Stop, and Storage options. These are the tools you'll use. If Uninstall is grayed out for a built-in app, tap Uninstall Updates first to revert it, then press Disable to stop it running and remove it from your home screen. Make sure to clear cache and clear data to remove residual files and hit permissions to revoke access. Doing this reduces background resource use and avoids stray notifications after disabling. To finish, restart your phone so the system can apply the change and free memory. Once rebooted, verify the app is gone from the launcher and settings. If the app won't disable, you can enable developer options and use ADB uninstall for persistent system apps, but be careful, removing essential packages can break features. If something stops working, re-enable the app or choose Reset App Preferences to restore defaults. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves unexpected side effects quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.